as you can see here, this rolls in there, and here's the outside of it. So came out really good. There's a little bit of a little gap right here, if you can see that. How well you can see that or not. Actually fits pretty snug up along here. Looks really good. It's probably gonna have looks really good, but let me show you this other stuff here. One second, let me grab this stand. Make it easier for me. There's this stuff here, they call it welting. Opens up like this, and that's supposed to sit over. Just gonna give you an example, a short example, how this goes on here. It's supposed to go on this edge that goes against the vehicle. So if you take it like this, and I'm gonna have to do a little studying on this stuff. There's not much out there, but I know it came factory on all these vehicles. If you see them, they got this little strip of this stuff. That goes along here. And I'm not sure how the factory stuff worked. I can't imagine that it just sat on there, went against the vehicle. But anyways, that's how it's supposed to look. Take a look at that. It goes all the way down along here, but it doesn't really have a grip on it. I don't know if you'd want to use an adhesive. I think that's what you might have to use, but as far as this goes and how flexible it is and everything, just wondering about how well the paint might stick to it. But anyways, I'm gonna have to give it a shot. So I'm gonna come over here to the other side of the car. I just wanted to show you real quick with this. You see those two holes down here? Almost look exactly where the other ones are. If you can see, I already put that up there and made a couple of scratch marks on it. So I'm gonna get my tape and I'm gonna kind of get this mocked up and get ready to drill the holes for that. So anyways, everybody, thank you for following along, but I'm gonna jump along to this other side and catch you in just a minute. Thank you.